the same great light that broke the dark, the same great peace that calmed the seas. Hallelujah is living in me. The same great love that gives us breath, the same great power that conquered death. Hallelujah is flowing through me. And what if I believed in your power and I really lived it? What if I believed Christ in me? What if I believed I would lay my worries down, see these hills as a level ground? What if I believed Christ in me? The same great love that casts out fear, the same compassion that draws us near. Hallelujah is living in me. Yeah. The same great mercy that I received, amazing grace for a wretch like me. Hallelujah is flowing through me. What if I believed in your power and I really lived it? What if I believe Christ in me? What if I believe I would lay my worries down, see these hills as level ground? What if I believed Christ in me? I would praise you with my life, let my story lift you high. What if I believed Christ in me? What if I believed Christ in me? And what if I believed in your power? And what if I believed Christ in me? What if I believed? I would lay my worries down and not see these hills as level ground. What if I believed Christ in me? I would praise you with my life and let my story lift you high. What if I believed Christ in me? What if I believed Christ in me? What if I believed Christ in me? Sweetest days of childhood, playing in the deep woods, stomping through the creek and feeling oh so much alive. And camping in the forest, we join the cricket chorus and hum our songs of gratitude around a crackling fire. And out here in the stillness, I found my house of worship with column trees and canopy of stars. Here in my cathedral, it was beneath the blue skies I ran down to be baptized. I felt the river wash me clean and dried beneath the sun. And to this day believing, wide awake or dreaming, I scan the ancient sky and understand where I belong. 'Cause out here in the stillness I find my house of worship, with column trees and canopy of stars. Here in my cathedral, this is where I find my soul, out where holy men of old first knelt in soil and thanked you for the rain. Wrote the psalms that fill the air, herald angels sang their prayer out beneath your darling constellations. So let me often wander in robin's song and thunder, surrounding me with stained glass leaves that change with every breeze. And out here in the stillness I'll find my house of worship, with column trees and canopy of stars. Here in my cathedral,